Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can insert the micro SD card into Nintendo Switch. So in order to do so, you need to rotate your Switch like so, and then you want to open this thing over here. In order to insert the SD card, over here you will find the way in which the card should be inserted. So it is like so, this way. Let's do that. Let's slide it in a little bit. And then once you cannot slide it in more, it is like so, you need to push it with your finger until you hear a click. There was a slight click, and then it looks like this. Once it is in, you can close it, of course, and then you can use Switch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.